How to change language on YouTube on Samsung Smart TV. So from your main home screen, go ahead and select YouTube application. Now, once you come over here, at the bottom left corner, you'll see Settings. Now, once you come to Settings page, swipe down below. And you'll see the option of Language. Select it. Now, in my case, the language has been set for English UK. In order to change it, just select on this option. Now from here, you can choose any of the languages given according to your preferences. So select on a language, and with that you will successfully be able to change the language on YouTube app on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.